Hi guys, again, the Anime Stock Collector here, and today we have 2 unboxings. So yeah, let's begin opening them. I guess we're gonna open this one first. Let's see, they put out a Doctor's Choice box or whatever, as they label it fragile. That's actually good. This one came with a little dent. Hopefully that one is good. Where do you open this from? From here, I guess. Thank God they didn't put a whole lot of tape on this one. The tape was pretty cheap, honestly. What the heck? Oh, okay. Came with that too. Oh, I see it. Yep. It's the Jimmy Disco Santa. This thing is actually pretty small. Holy crap. Did not know that. It came with some choppers as well. I wonder where that is actually from. Interesting. I'll look on that later. As you can see, yeah, it's a Disco Santa. It's have batteries. Nope, no batteries. This thing had a video, and yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to test it out right now. I'll move this a little bit over here. Is there a screw? Yeah, there's a screw in there. Six folder four double A's. Alright, let me get batteries out of the box here. Alright, we got 4. Alright. So here we go. The head works. Yeah, he fully works. These are brand new batteries. I love this song. The audio is so good on this. Oh my god. It's so cool. I'm still looking. I'm gonna look for the snowman next. I almost got one last year, but of course it got sold. And in the video, it didn't move. This didn't move very well, but the batteries are kind of low. So yeah, it does fully work. Nothing's broken, so that's good. Show the other song while talking. Okay, the arm started moving. Okay, there's something wrong with that. Okay, yeah, that's kind of broken actually. You can see it was working really well, but yeah, now it's like not going all the way up. Does the arm move with the hips? That's pretty much out now, holy crap. I don't know. Yeah, that arm literally broke. Wow. Broke on camera, man. Whatever broke in there, I don't know. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to fix that. God dang it. Yeah, that's why I was losing a bit, but it looks like it's, I don't know, it's weird. I mean, it's pretty loose. Something must have split it, and probably a broken split piece in there. Yeah. That's why I was moving weird in the video. But the batteries are also low in the video, so there's nothing else in there. Okay. Let's go with the next one. Well, that sucks, but I can fix that. So I think you have to cut this open. Of course, oh wait, no, I think you also have to pull that out. This thing is pretty small, so I don't know how many pieces this thing's gonna have. But yeah, there's that one. I'll do a repair video on that soon. So yeah. Now we're gonna open the giant one. I think where he opens this from, I guess the same way. Yep, same way up here. Right here. I can help it right off. Okay. Guess I'm back here. Need to cut this. There we go. I think it's upside down, isn't it? Yep, it's upside down. Oh god. Ew, what the heck is this? On a freaking bag. They did protect it very well though. Look at that. Holy crap. That's actually pretty good packaging. Alright, let's put that out of the way. You can see. Yep, another snowflake spinner. So yeah, this one, I think it's Mr. Snowflake. I think that's what it's called. Oh brother, the big gear split. Well, I do have a spare, so it doesn't matter. It's actually jammed, but that's split. Look at that. Oh my freaking god. His pattern worked in the video, so you can see that's definitely fine. The hips has a broken back lever. So yeah, I already pulled that out and it came right off. I had to put it back in. It doesn't look like it has a broken back lever. It might actually just popped out of place because it would have been already like going all the way to the side. It's probably popped out. All right, let's put batteries in it. It's first actually pretty clean on this one too. Oops, I don't want to mix these. Let me put that over there. That's clean as well. This one's gonna need a lot of work. There's even packing material in the hat. So I won't get like all squished. That's actually pretty quick. Yeah, I'm gonna take these batteries out of here. Let me take that out. Oh, this is plastic. Yeah, I see it's broken. That one actually dances really well. The motor is not running at all. I'm hoping that's a wire off. Lights are pretty dim. This back right here. Swear to God, this thing's yellow on the inside. The pattern works pretty well though. Yeah, this one's gonna dance really well. You can definitely see. This one's gonna dance really smooth. Ooh, I heard a bit of rattling in there. Yeah. Yeah, it's broken. Look, I could crazy glue that baking soda though. So I think it's the top one that's broken. I'm really hoping that's a wire off. How did the big gear split without spinning? For real? That's what sucks about these. That now all of these, I'm telling you, just all of these have the same freaking problems now. Like the big gears are now splitting, and there's no 3D. No one's 3D printed these gears, and now that most of these spinning arms are gonna stop working because of that. Like that sucks, man. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna play them both together now on the video. Yeah, our arm is pretty much out. Yeah, so I'll do obviously repair videos as usual. So I hope you enjoyed these double unboxing. And thanks for watching them. Bye. Stay tuned for the repairs.